We are now just weeks away from a COVID-19 Christmas, and in the small town of Santa Claus, Indiana, locals are seeing the impact of the pandemic amidst an annual holiday tradition.
Each year, that town sees tens of thousands of letters addressed to Santa Claus come in from kids all around the world.
And as NewsNation reporter Jill Walderman explains, the pandemic had an obvious impact on kids based on this year's batch of letters to Santa.
We laugh, we cry, we share, and actually we get more out of it than what we put into it.
Since the 1940s, Pat Cook has been helping respond to kids from all over the world who are hoping they've been well behaved enough to make Santa's good list. And some already know where they stand.
Dear Santa, I have been good. Sometimes, mostly, once. Never mind, I'll buy my own stuff.
But this year, what she's reading is not like any other year and shows the obvious effect that COVID has had on children.
The elves tell us many of the kids have COVID safety tips for Santa. One writing, think positive, test negative.
Are you going to be safe going from house to house? Will you be sure to wash your hands? Will you be sure to wear your mask? Please take care of the elves.
The elves say this has been the most heartbreaking year so far, with a lot of kids writing about their parents' struggles with the pandemic.
And the other thing they're saying is Mom and Dad haven't been able to work because of COVID, and Daddy said that our Christmas will be not as big this year.
But despite trying to cope with the unknowns of 2020, the elves are bringing positivity and trying to add some magic to Christmas, one that may look much different. So a message from Santa trickles down to the elves.
Keep being good. Santa knows it's hard, but just try to be good. We have one specific letter that has in it one sentence that says, sometimes Santa can't bring you everything you want. We use that because sometimes we get a big, long list.
Jill Wilderman, NewsNation, Santa Claus, Indiana.